If you want to submit an offer, you have to go to the RFX form. You can do that by clicking the Go to RFX button in the invitation sent by the buyer to your email address. Unless you are not interested in participation, click the Uninterested button to give an information to buyer. After clicking the Go to RFX button, the RFX form or the login page will appear. It is possible to submit an offer without logging into the system or after logging in. It depends on the RFX configuration made by buyer. The main parameters of the RFX are visible on the left side. On the left side of the RFX form, there are visible the main RFX parameters such as dates. On the right side of the form, there are available information about the organizer and settings. Below you can find the attachments that were uploaded by the buyer and the form to be completed to submit an offer. The RFX form may consist of both tables and closed or open questions. Fill in the unit prices for the products in the table and provide the answers to the questions defined in the form. Pay attention to whether the RFX form has been completed in 100% before submitting an offer. If you want to contact with the buyer to ask him some questions or get any help, use the communicator available in the bottom part of the form. After completing the RFX form, you can submit your offer by clicking the Send button. The history of the offers is visible on the right side of the form. Thank you for your attention and we wish you successful transactions on NextBuy platform.